Hey guys, look at my fake bangs. Look at them. Look at them. They're beautiful. Hi, welcome back to Whimsy Soul. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to get fake bangs, just like this. I'm so excited about this. I think all women kind of go through this where at some stages in their life, they're like, I should get bangs. And they're like, what if it looks terrible? Because bangs are a lot of upkeep and they're not easy to style. And I love the look of them in updos, but I'm so nervous to actually get them in real life. And then I discovered this amazing hairstyle hack, do-it-yourself fake bang. No reason to commit to a cut. You can fake bangs all day long with this simple hack. It takes just like 5 minutes to do. And I'm gonna show you that today. Without further ado, let's get this tutorial started. First step is you're gonna wanna grab your heat protectant spray. I'm using one by Moroccan Oil. I have a few others somewhere in my locker that I was too lazy to find. I'm not yet like brand loyal to heat protectants, so use whatever you have around. I'm sure it's great. You don't need to use your whole head, just get the ends like so. Or spray it directly into your face like I did. But we're gonna be using the ends of your hair as fake bangs, so that is the part that you should be putting this product on. If you don't use a heat protectant and you're using hot tools, you need to get something right away. This just helps form a barrier between the heat and your hair, so it doesn't fry it basically. All right, so I have an old hair straightener slash crimper. Did you see me there just like switch this over? I don't know why this was made. I don't know why I have it. I think my mom bought this for me in high school. I don't necessarily recommend this. This is an Infinity from Conair and it's definitely at least 12 years old. So use a better hair straightener than this, but this will do for this tutorial. I normally don't really straighten my hair ever, so it's not like a well-used product. Now step 2. And you are going to start by making your hair into a bun like so. I usually use my fingers to kind of work through any bumps and knots, but you can also take a hairbrush and work through those as well. I'm personally going for like a messy updo look, so I kind of don't mind if it's not perfect. Put my hair like this, and then I'm gonna twist it like so, and then I'm gonna roll it around like this, and then I'm gonna end with my hair sticking out like this over the top of my head, and I'm gonna quickly secure it with this hair tie. Okay, so as you can see, I have some like baby hairs in the back that are kind of hanging out. That's totally okay. We want this to have a sort of messy, effortless sort of look. So I'm gonna keep those there. I may tuck them up into my headscarf at the end, so we'll see if they stick around for the long haul. The next step is going to be perfecting your bangs. So now we are going to straighten this out. This is really hard to do in a video and not a mirror. I don't know how girls do this. I think the key is holding your bun so you don't pull it out. There we go. I noticed the first time I did this, I kind of, on some ends, kind of have to straighten inwards towards my face so it lies a little closer to my face and doesn't stick out too much. Okay, so I added a little heat to those. I'm gonna brush them out a bit more. So I think they're looking pretty good. They're looking pretty straight. They're sitting on my head like bangs should. You probably will experience this just like I am. I'm occasionally getting these little pieces of long hair, so what I'm doing is I'm going under my bangs and I'm just kind of adding those back to the top bun right there. I want to go for like a messy look, so now I'm going to take the time to sort of pull out some additional pieces. I honestly find this easiest to do with a hairbrush, so I'm gonna get some stuff around the edges here. Be gentle so you don't pull your bun out, because then you'll have to start all over. Okay, so I have some wispy pieces around like so. Bun looks all good. I'm actually gonna adjust my bangs real quick. Now, I know it still looks wacky. Stick with me here, folks. So the next step is going to be adding your headscarf. So fold your headscarf into a triangle and then just roll it a bit like so. Put it on the back of your hair and then tie it up front like this. If your headscarf is too big, it's gonna look janky, and too small, this isn't gonna quite work. So you have to have like the perfect size. All right, there we go. there we go. Okay, so my headscarf is up. I think it's looking pretty damn good. Now it's time to just tidy some little loose ends up. So I see here I have a loose end of hair up here that I'm just gonna tuck back into my bun. I'm gonna adjust my bangs just a bit. I think I need a little more hair from this side to come down so it looks a little more realistic. But otherwise, I think that this is pretty cute. Look at this. We just made ourselves bangs. If your hair is getting all crazy up here, which it might if you have really frizzy ends, you can just use a finishing spray to kind of gloss over and give this a nice end look. Yeah, sometimes a little hairspray is all a girl needs. I think I'm gonna need some for this piece back here that keeps popping up. All right, I'm gonna complete the look. I'm actually gonna swap these out. I think this outfit looks more fun with some earrings like this. Maybe add some hipster glasses. Ah! I feel like I'm a boho goddess now. I love it. These are a little too glary. I'll take them off. All right, so that is it. That is how you make yourself faux bang. Yeah, I hope you found this helpful. I discovered this little hack on TikTok of all places, and then I tried it out and I was like, oh, this is really easy. I can do this. Usually I'm just like hopeless on hairstyles and stuff. So I was really happy to find out that I could recreate this pretty easily and I could get like that fringy bang sort of look without actually cutting my hair, and I'm really into it. Yeah, so that is it. If you have any questions, drop them below and I'll make sure to get back to you. If you have any tips to add, make sure to leave a comment so everyone else can see. Make sure to subscribe, give me a follow on Instagram, give me a follow on TikTok too while you're at it. And I hope to see you around the Whimsy Soul community.